We've all admired our Thala Dhoni's game on the field. But off-field, his hair journey has caused equal amount of curiosity. From his long hair to bald head to a well-defined hairline, his fans have wondered what is the secret behind his hair journey. Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita and welcome to Celebrity Hair Transplant Secrets by Max Hair Clinic. Back in 2004, Dhoni debuted with a thick luxurious hair and this was indicating his fearless game. But as years passed by, we noticed signs of balding where his hairline was receding. As early as 2011, we noticed significant signs of male pattern balding where we scientifically call it as androgenetic alopecia, where the DHT, dihydroxytestosterone, causes the hair to shrink, especially in male. From 2015 to 2020, especially as Dhoni took our Indian team to the Asian Cup, we noticed significant loss of density, especially on his mid portion. But after COVID, after 2020, we noticed a well-defined hairline which was bringing the entire crowd into a much curiosity. Yes, this is signs of hair transplant, where he had taken his hair from the back of his head and placed it in the front. So let's get into the scientific part of it. So Dhoni had undergone FUE, which is follicular unit extraction, where in some of the games, especially after 2022, you noticed that there was little bit of spacing in the back of his head. But if you look at the hairline, it's a well-defined hairline with no spacing at all, and it looks very natural, extremely thick, almost imitating the iconic long hair that he debuted with. So if he had used a metal for his hair transplant, would this be possible? Definitely not. You need a crystal stone to cut through your skins where this does not cause any kinds of marks or any kinds of spacing. This is why celebrities like MS Dhoni chose Sapphire hair transplant, because in the public eye, it doesn't show that you've done anything. So Dhoni's journey of hair transplant is a clear indicator of a strategic planning and a natural hair look. A good hair transplant doesn't look like you've got hair transplant. Stay tuned until the next episode where I decode celebrity hair transformations. Comment down your guesses. Who's the next celebrity we decode? Fact by fact, follicle by follicle.